Hello everybody, it's Mick from Bushcraft. Today I'm just going to show you the my latest purchase from the well-known auction site. I've just picked it up. I was lucky enough to spot this. As you know, knives aren't listed on the well-known auction site due to knife laws, but this was listed as a camping tool, so not many people were looking at it. And I was also lucky enough to notice that it was actually in my local town, so I could pick it up and save on postage. So let's have a look. As you can see, it's a Victorinox, made in Switzerland, Swiss Army knife. There's the actual knife. Comes with its original instruction leaflet and warranty, which I'm sure is out of date by now. I don't know, are there lifetime guarantees on these? Can't actually see on there, but anyway, I'll not be using that. Comes with its original box. Now, I've done a little bit of research on this and I can't actually find what model this is. It does say Officier, I think it is, OFFICIER, but I don't know if that's the model. But it's got the usual lanyard ring on the end there. It's got the tweezers, which are always useful. It's got the toothpick, which looks like it's never been used. Don't think I'll be using that, to be honest. It's got the Phillips or posi drive screwdriver. It's got the reamer or awl, whatever you want to call it. It's going to always be a handy little tool to have. We've got the larger of the two screwdrivers with the bottle opener, cap opener and wire strippers. I'll be honest, I've never really tried using them as wire strippers and I don't know how good they actually are. On the other side, got the smaller screwdriver and the can opener, which I know do work. We've got the smaller blade there. We've also got the larger blade with the Victorinox stamp on there, stainless, Victorinox Switzerland stainless. And on that side, I don't know whether you can see that, it says the Officier Suisse. But the thing that actually caught my eye about this particular knife was those, some little pliers, which I thought were quite handy. So I thought that was quite good. It's in good condition. Well, I'd say it's in very good condition. It's not got a mark on it, it's just got a little bit of scratch on there. Got the logo there. But other than that, it's in excellent condition. And if anybody knows the model of that, please contact me, well, comment and let me know, because I don't know what it is. But it's a nice little knife, one that I'll be able to carry with me, and I paid £5.50 for that, and I picked it up, so I saved on postage. £5.50, so I thought that was a bargain. So there you go, the knife, the box and the original instruction leaflet, all for £5.50. I'll put some close-up photos now, so I just wanted to show you that. Hope you enjoyed it. Please comment and thanks for watching. See you on the next video.